Hey there guys, welcome to another video. Today, should I call this the announcement room? I feel like every time I do an announcement I can. This is not my room, but it is a room. So yeah, I just want to say guys, that I might, it's like a 30 to 40% chance that this might happen. If I'm allowed, I might be able to buy a 14XX or 1400 class, whatever you want to call it, little tank engine. I'll try and put a photo of it on the screen right here. If there isn't a photo, that'll look strange, just me going and have an invisible photo. But hopefully there should be a photo right there, or should have been. But you know. So yeah, also I hope you like my editing skills. I know they're bad, but I can make something appear here and here. Yeah, it's real bad, isn't it? But who cares? Because that's good editing for me. But yeah, I just want to make that small announcement. Should I show a couple pictures on screen or just one? I'll probably show about 2 photos of the 14XX, just to make sure you guys know what it is and you are ready. Well, not ready, but you know what I'm gonna do in like a week or 2. I don't know. But yeah. Also, don't get too excited. I might not. I mean, you probably won't get excited anyway, but like, I might not get it. I might not be allowed. So, but just in case, I might. If I don't, then I'll just delete this video. So, I don't mind looking at the cameraman. Yeah. Also, I hope you like my theme video. Trains, well, not trains. It's not like trains, but like the Swindon Steam Museum. It's quite good. There's a little simulator, and it's quite cool because you get, but it's very basic. You just put the regulator up. You don't actually do anything, and there's a brake, and a reverser, but it doesn't work very well. It's alright, but even if you just keep everything at like the same like the whole time, it won't do anything. It just does it itself, and there's a whistle. It's not the most amazing whistle. It sounds like just like some steam coming out of a train, but with a squeaky noise. That basically is a whistle, but like a worser. Is that even a word? I don't know. But with a worse whistle, just I can't find it. Anyway, yeah, the steam museum, they used to be able to go in one of the steam engines and to pretend to blow the whistle and make weird sounds because I don't know, but I'm weird. But and then I learned that what a secondary whistle is. I was like, oh, there are 2 whistles there. And then a man came. We'll see that. And then a man came along and he was like, that's a secondary whistle. And I was like, I didn't break it. That is not why you can't go with it anymore. No, it's not even there anymore, I don't think. They have the King George V, I think it is. Also, I've always wondered how they get the trains, like, into the building. It's like you can't drive them there, or run them, so, how do you do it? Do you just use a giant crane and go, yeah, what if someone was there, and then it was like, hi train, oh my god, exactly what would happen there, who knows? So yeah. I'm about to do that to show a photo for 14XX. Bye. I just checked the footage, and instead of saying bye, it sounded like I said pie. So, bye. Or should I say pie? No? Okay, bye.